Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to lock and unlock layer in Photopea. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Photopea software. Now open your Photopea file. Now you can see here are my file with many images. Now I will show you how to lock and unlock in this layer. You can see here are this image. I can move this image anywhere. Now I lock this image. Select this image layer on, then press. You can see here are Alt option. Now just press this lock option. Now you can see here a lock option. Now you can't move this image. Now I unlock this image. Select this layer, then you can see here are lock option. Again click on this option. Now you can see here I remove this lock icon. Now you can move this image very easily. You can also lock this all of these images. You have to press Ctrl and select this layer. Now press lock option. Now you can see you can't move these images. Now I unlock this image. Select this layer, then press lock option. Now move your images. Now you can see I lock and unlock layer in Photopea very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.